Yo guys, this is Ruff and we're unboxing here the Osmo Mobile 3, the best gimbal in the market right now for mobile phones. And I got this in Lazada for only around 6,000 pesos. Normally I've seen this around 7,000 to 8,000. So I got some pretty sweet deal here right now. So let me open this using this scissor. Alright. And the unit that I got here is the combo unit. So I have some free stuff that I will get with this. And you'll have some carrying case and some other stuff here, including a tripod as well. So let me just open it. Alright. Although it's a little bit challenging here in opening this box. Alright there. So first impression with the box. Well, it is sturdy and it is well packaged. So cheers for DJI here. So what we will get here first is the carrying case. And I think the unit is inside as well. And here we have two long boxes here. And let me just open it right now. And what you've got here is this is the this is the tripod, a very small tripod, and then some sticker pads. Let me check here what's other stuff inside of here. Alright, so we got here a wrist strap as well. And then let me check on the other side. And what we've got here is, let me open it right now. And this is a carrying pouch with a Osmo and DJI printed. Although it feels good in the hand, this pouch. And next here is what we've got is a cable, a charging cable. And note, this is a USB Type-C, which is good because I'm using a lot of devices using a USB Type-C cables. Let me set it up right now there. All these freebies that you will get for the combo unit: the pouch, the small tripod, the cable, the wrist strap. And what I'm particularly excited here is the case. So let's open the case right now with the unit inside of it. Alright. First impression, I like this case. It feels good in the hand, the texture of it, and it's very small as well. So it's very good case for me. And this is the Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. So first impression, it feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel cheap. It's very sturdy, though it is good in the hands. It's kind of small as well. You can fold it, then you can use that carrying case. And it has some stickers here, some setup stickers. And let me unfold it. So you can put your mobile phone there once you unfold this gimbal, and then you can start recording, and we can create an awesome video with this gimbal. Especially I heard that it can stabilize your videos, especially with your mobile phones. Overall, um, my impression with this Osmo Mobile 3 is good. I'll be testing it, and I'll be creating some videos as well, and I'll be creating a full review for this Osmo Mobile 3. So that's all for now, and please like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon, guys, and peace out.